welcome to Lendoor. We'll start by setting up an account by filling out these basic fields. We'll select Borrower to help let Lendoor know to guide us through the borrowing process first. Now we're ready to get started. On the left you'll see some information about the loan projects, and on the right there's some key pieces of information we need to enter. We'll start with our business name. The next pieces are the loan, amount, term, and interest rate. We'll do $100,000 to be paid back over a term of 2 years at an interest rate of 8%. This gives us a monthly payment. We can now see that our loan project has been started. Across the top you'll see some tabs with all the various information that'll need to be entered. The check marks indicate that tabs are complete, and the exclamation lets us know that there's some piece left to do. We'll start on the Loan tab. The Loan tab holds all the information specific to the loan. You can see here that some information was already defaulted that we filled into the prior page. We'll go ahead and enter this information. Now that that's done, we'll quickly review to make sure the information is accurate, and then we'll move over to the Business tab. You can see a check mark was placed on the side of the Loan tab, letting us know that it's now considered complete. Our loan progress was also updated. If we'd like, we can save and return at any time. Your loan project is saved at various points during the project automatically. We'll fill in the Business tab with all of the required fields. We can also go ahead and upload images to our photo gallery, which investors will be able to see. The more information you enter, the more likely investors are to join your loan project. So we can add some optional sections here and fill those out as well. Now that we've finished filling out the Business tab, we can go ahead and move to the Financial Summary. The Financial Summary may seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, it's actually quite simple. We'll start with these question marks, which give us detailed information about the section we're completing. We have required fields for each section, and as you fill in the financial amounts for each year given, you'll notice that the charts are automatically created for you. Projections are entered for future years based on the term of your loan. If you have specific information to tell investors, maybe a sudden increase or drop in revenue, for example, you could enter that here. Now you can see that we've gone ahead and entered all the information in the charts, in the debts category, the liabilities category, and the assets category. Now that our information is completely filled out, we'll move over to the People tab, where we can add owners. You must disclose 85% of your owners, so if you're not 100% owner, this would be the place to add additional owners. Now that this is complete, we can move over to the Other tab. Here we'll enter state-specific information and upload documents. We can see that our loan project is now completed. We have check marks across the board for each tab. We also have 100% complete, and we can save our project. Everything's saved. We can now preview our project to take a look at what it would look like from an investor's point of view. Here you can see the information we entered with additional details available. As you go through each tab, you should see exactly what an investor would see in the project. Here in the Financials tab, you can see it looks quite different than when we entered the information. Lendoor takes the information you provide and breaks it down into information that can give an investor a bird's eye view of your company's financial standing. Flipping through the other tabs, there's nothing much interesting yet until we fill out our profiles. However, you can go to the Town Hall to post updates. Once this is done, we can edit our project. Now we can submit our project.